Hello students, today we shall discuss about singular and non-singular matrix. A square matrix is a singular matrix if its determinant is 0, otherwise it is a non-singular matrix. Now, let us look into a problem. For what value of x the following matrix is singular: 5 minus x, x plus 1, 2, 4. For the solution, let A be the given matrix 5 minus x, x plus 1, 2, 4. For A to be singular, determinant A is equal to 0. That implies determinant 5 minus x, x plus 1, 2, 4 is equal to 0. That can be simplified as 4 into 5 minus x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies 20 minus 4x minus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. This can be calculated as 18 is equal to 6x. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Now, let us look into some theorems involving singular and non-singular matrix. If A be any given square matrix of order n, then A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A, that is equal to determinant A multiplied by identity matrix, where I is the identity matrix of order n. Second theorem, if A and B are non-singular matrices of the same order, then their product AB and BA are also non-singular matrices of the same order. Third theorem, the determinant of the product of matrices is equal to product of their respective determinants, that is, determinant of product AB is equal to determinant of A multiplied by determinant of B, where A and B are square matrices of the same order. Theorem 4, a square matrix A is invertible if and only if A is non-singular matrix. Applications of determinants and matrices. In this session, we shall discuss application of determinants and matrices for solving the system of linear equations in 2 or 3 variables and for checking the consistency of the system of linear equations. Now, what is a consistent system? A system of equations is said to be consistent if its solution, one or more, exists. And what is an inconsistent system? A system of equations is said to be inconsistent if its solution does not exist. Now, let us solve a problem involving consistency of the system of equations. Examine the consistency of the system of equations 5x minus y plus 4z is equal to 5, 2x plus 3y plus 5z is equal to 2, 5x minus 2y plus 6z is equal to minus 1. For the solution, look onto the monitor. The given system of equations can be expressed as Ax is equal to b, where A is equal to 5 minus 1 4, 2 3 5, 5 minus 2 6, x is equal to x y z and b is equal to 5 2 minus 1. Now, determinant A is equal to 5 minus 1 4, 2 3 5, 5 minus 2 6. On solving this determinant, we have 5 into 18 plus 10 plus 1 into 12 minus 25 plus 4 into minus 4 minus 15. This can be further simplified as 140 minus 13 minus 76, that gives 51, which is not equal to 0. Hence, A is non-singular matrix, so given system is consistent. Now students, let us solve a problem using matrix method. Solve the following system of equations by matrix method. 3x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 8, 2x plus y minus z is equal to 1, 4x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 4. The system of equations can be written in the form Ax is equal to b, where A is given by 3 minus 2 3, 2 1 minus 1 4 minus 3 2, and x is equal to x y z and b is equal to 8 1 4. We see that determinant A is equal to 3 into 2 minus 3 plus 2 into 4 plus 4 plus 3 into minus 6 minus 4. This on simplification gives minus 17, which is not equal to 0. Hence, A is non-singular and so its inverse exists. A11 is equal to minus 1, A12 is equal to minus 8, A13 is equal to minus 10, A21 is equal to minus 5, A22 is equal to minus 6, A23 is equal to 1, A31 is equal to minus 1, A32 is equal to 9, A33 is equal to 7. Therefore, A inverse is equal to minus 1 upon 17 multiplied by minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 minus 8 minus 6 9 minus 10 1 7. So, x is equal to A inverse b, that is equal to minus 1 upon 17 into minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 minus 8 minus 6 9 minus 10 1 7 multiplied by 8 1 4, that is x y z is equal to minus 1 upon 17 into minus 17 minus 34 minus 51. This gives x y z is equal to 1 2 3, implying x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3. Write the value of the following determinant: a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, b minus c, c minus a minus b, c minus a minus b, b minus c. For the solution, we apply C1 is obtained by adding 3 columns C1, C2, C3. We get 0, b minus c, c minus a, 0, c minus a minus b, 0, a minus b, b minus c, that is equal to 0, since all the elements of first column are 0. Let us take up one more example. What is the value of the following determinant? 4 a b plus c, 4 b c plus a, 4 c a plus b. For the solution, determinant is equal to 4 a plus b plus c, 4 b a plus b plus c, 4 c a plus b plus c. By applying, C3 is obtained by adding column C2 and C3. Hence, 4 into a plus b plus c multiplied by determinant 1 a 1, 1 b 1, 1 c 1. What we have done here? We have taken out 4 into a plus b plus c as common from the first column and third column respectively, and thus we get 4 into a plus b plus c into 0, that gives us 0. Using properties of determinants, prove that minus a square a b a c b a minus b square b c c a c b minus c square is equal to 4 a square b square c square. For the solution, we have LHS as simplified, taking A, B, C common from R1, R2 and R3 minus A, B, C, A minus B, C, A, B minus C. Again taking out A, B, C common, we have A square, B square, C square into determinant minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1. Now, by applying R1 obtained by adding R1 and R2, we have A square into B square into C square multiplied by determinant 0, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1. This gives A square, B square, C square into 0 minus 0 plus 2 into 1 plus 1. This can be simplified as 4 into A square, B square, C square, that is equal to RHS. Now, home assignment for you students. Take down the question. What positive value of x makes the following pair of determinants equal? 2x, 3, 5 x and 16, 3, 5, 2. So, students, today we learned about singular matrix, non-singular matrix and how to solve system of linear equations by matrix method. Thank you.